Hello guys, मैं डॉक्टर साबजीत राला. Today we will study the reaction of aldehyde and ketone with the primary mean. So firstly we will discuss the reaction and then we'll thoroughly study the mechanism. So we have here the aldehyde. When it react with the amine, this is called primary mean. This is RNH2. When they combine together, we get here the RCH double bond. Here is the N and here is R, and this is called here, it is called Schiff base. It is called here Schiff base. So this is important direction that how we can prepare the Schiff base. So now we will study the mechanism of this reaction, how we are getting this Schiff base here. Now we have here aldehyde like this way. So now we have to add here nitrogen. Here is NH2 and here is R. Now what will happen here? Nitrogen has the lone pair. Though what will happen, this carbonyl group is polar and oxygen is more electronegative than this carbon. It withdraw the electron density toward itself, and this oxygen carry negative and this carbon carry positive. Nitrogen will donate its lone pair to this carbon. So therefore what we will get here, RC, यहाँ पे ये O, this oxygen now which carry charge negative, and here is NH, here is R, and here is N. The nitrogen has donated its lone pair, and that's why this nitrogen carry with charge positive. Now what will happen here? Nitrogen is more electronegative, therefore it withdraw the electron density toward itself. So therefore this bond, if withdraw toward this nitrogen, and therefore the positive charge of this nitrogen will finish and this H will carry positive. Now this H will positive will combine with this O negative, and therefore what we will get here, RC, here is H, here is OH, here is N, H, and here is R. Now what will happen in the next step? If I write this complete as like this way, here is R, here is OH, and here is H, here is N, here is H, and here is H. Now this OH is here, oxygen की electronegativity carbon से ज़्यादा है, therefore this OH remove here, this OH negative will यहाँ से remove हो जाएगा. So therefore this carbon की valency जो है वो 3 रह जाएगी, 1 2 3, and this carbon carry positive. In order to satisfy this valency, ये bond यहाँ पे shift कर जाएगा, therefore H will carry positive. OH carry negative, this H will carry positive, and therefore they combine together, and therefore water is lost, and we get here R, here is H, here is the C, double bond N, and here is R, which is called here Schiff base. So this is the method of the preparation of the Schiff base. Now we will take the example like if we have here we can say that ये हमारे पास बेंजल्डिहाइड है, C डबल बॉन्ड O, here is H. अब इसके बीच में हमने क्या डालना है, एनिलीन. If we add the here aniline, this is called here primary amine. So when they combine together, we get the Schiff base here. So what is the Schiff base and their structure? Here is the C, and here is the CH double bond, here is N, and this one is the Schiff base. So therefore this is called here benzyl, here this is called here benzyl aniline, so which is a Schiff base and which can be prepared by the same mechanism. So I will do the mechanism here. So let's start from benzaldehyde. So this is benzaldehyde and this is aniline. This one is aniline. Now see that oxygen is more electronegative than this of carbon. So therefore it withdraws the electron density toward itself, and this oxygen carry negative and this carbon carry positive. Nitrogen has 2 lone pair. The nitrogen will donate its lone pair to this one. Now see that what we will get here. Here is this C, here is O carry negative, here is H, here is nitrogen, and here is H. This one H is here, and now This nitrogen has donated its lone pair to this carbon, and therefore this nitrogen carry which charge? Positive. Because this nitrogen has donated its lone pair, and that's why this nitrogen carry which charge? Positive. So now this nitrogen is more electronegative than this of hydrogen. So therefore it withdraw the electron density toward itself, and therefore the nitrogen का positive charge finish हो जाएगा. This H will carry positive. So therefore this H positive will combine this O negative, and therefore what we will get here? Here is the CH, here is OH, here is N, here is H, and it is like this way. Now the last step is the left here. This is the OH. ये यहाँ से OH नेगेटिव की फॉर्म में बाहर निकल जाएगा. Therefore कार्बन की वैलेंसी 3 रह जाएगी, 1 2 and this 3. In order to satisfy this valency, this bond will shift here. So therefore what we will get here, we will get this one CH double bond. Here is N, and here is this one, and this is called here benzyl aniline, and which is also a Schiff base. It is also called Schiff base. So this is complete preparation of the Schiff base and the mechanism. So thank you student. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.